Steeped in a rich family legacy and deep Kentucky tradition, Dixon Dedman is the owner of the historic Beaumont Inn near Harrodsburg, Kentucky, that boasts an award-winning restaurant as well as an acclaimed bourbon brand. He met Jeff Hopmayer, founder and CEO of the Brindiamo Group, as he was seeking to grow his brand beyond a family business.
Jeff is a very, very loyal individual. And if Jeff cares about you, if you are, if Jeff is in your corner, then, he's going to kind of look out for you in any way necessary. Jeff has helped me, both grow my brand, partner with somebody who could help me take it outside of Kentucky. Jeff helped me, with kind of our liquid strategy and that type of thing.
The guys at Bardstown Bourbon Company actually introduced me to him, gave me one of the temporary offices upstairs. I met with Dixon at Bardstown because he wasn't sure what he wanted to do with the brand. I just looked and I said, just sell it. Let's sell it. And he goes, well, I don't think we'll get enough and this and this. I go, we'll get enough. Don't worry about it. And we went down the path and we sold it and he was really happy.
Today, Dixon is excited about his latest project, 2XO Kentucky Straight Bourbon Whiskey.
The real challenge is to create something that has green space in front of it. This entire industry is not start today and ready tomorrow. This is if you have no patience, you have no business being in the bourbon business. So he's helped me in many ways, but probably more significantly than anything, it's just kind of on a personal level as a sounding board and an advisor.
He also does consulting for us and for himself, and we put him together with different groups, different people that are really looking for his expertise in blending.
One of the things that I guess I kind of figured out that I could do was taste and kind of create. And so it's more of taking different distillates, different barrels, different flavor profiles, and creating, kind of work with finished product, not on the original distillation part of the process.
Dixon's great. He's again a lot of fun. One of the best master blenders I know.
Jeff, that first initial conversation truly led to the wildest ride I've ever been on in my life, and I'm thankful for that conversation every day.